Halloween cupcakes. So to make that, first we've got some beautiful decorations. We've got some eyeballs, some colored sprinkles. We've also got some little pumpkins to decorate with. And of course, we need some frosting. We've got chocolate, we've got vanilla, we've got orange, gray. We got all the colors of the rainbow here to make special Halloween cupcakes. Are you guys ready to make some cupcakes? Yeah!